So I'm going to show you how to use the action button on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. So these phones have this action button. Now, this one was replaced from the mute switch a few years ago, and it's present here on the iPhone 17. And instead of a switch, this time it's a button which you can press once, or you can long press for different actions. Now, currently mine is set to cycle between the ring mode and silent mode. But if you want to customize it, you can go into settings, and then under settings, you can go straight to action button, and then you can change what the action button does. So you can see currently it's set to silent mode. You can choose it, you can switch it to focus mode or the camera app, or you can choose to set it to launch voice memos or Shazam or whatever it is that you want. So there are a couple of options here, and you can also customize some controls. And so for instance, you can go and choose a specific control from the control center, which you can activate. So for instance, if I set it to open the touch, for instance, all I have to do is set it there and then exit. And then now I can long press, and that's going to turn on the touch, and I can long press to turn it off. So that is basically how to use that action button. Thanks for watching, and good luck.